Hello traders, this is Umar with you. Hope you are all doing great and welcome back to the channel, right? So yesterday I was really wrong, terribly wrong. In fact, I was expecting that the market will go on the upside. I was thinking like Federal Reserve will whatever Federal Reserve is being priced into. Actually, it was priced into, but you will not believe what is happening to our market in terms of when you compare it with US market. US markets are going in the high or going in the top, but we are going in the downside, right? Today alone, Banknifty tanked more than 700 points, Nifty around 200 points, Finnifty, everything was down. And the main reason was none other than FIIs. These buggers have sold so much of quantity today, and if it was not DIIs have bought some quantity, more than half of what the FIIs have sold. In spite of that, market has fallen so much. India VIX was on the rise, so it was a terrible market. But as an expiry, I can tell you we were able to make some good profit. Let me show you. This is our screen, and we made around 1.87% profit. This is a 10 lakh account, and if I go to the order book, you can see that around 130 orders punched today. Today alone, 130 orders punched to just make this amount. Around around how much? 11,600. Brokerage itself will come around 2,000 rupees, right? Anyway, what we can do, right? This is the market. We have to, whether we like it or not, we will have to stick with this. And I'm really sorry for what happened. I really didn't expect market will fall so much. And I know people yesterday in our comment session also told that market will go down, and market will go down, and that is what has happened, right? So I was wrong. And in fact, if you see the US futures are all in the green. Look at Nasdaq is up by more than 1.5%. Dow Jones, S&P, everything is down by almost 0.5% to more than 0.5%. Now imagine what will happen if we gap up tomorrow. That is the main concern here. People, anyway, today was an expiry, July expiry, end of July expiry. July expiry. We are going into August expiry. So we really don't know what is going to happen. Now, if it gaps up tomorrow, what might be the scenario, or what is going to happen, or what might be the market direction for our markets going forward, right? Now if you see it in a long term perspective, if I say let's say if we see it in a daily chart, now what we are seeing is a big red candle on the daily chart. So this is a big red candle on the daily chart. In fact, for the last 10 or 5 trading sessions since 20th, Nifty Bank has not moved, or for that matter, even Nifty has not moved. At least Nifty has gone to around 20,000 and it has come on the downside, but Banknifty has not moved anywhere. It has been swinging from 45,500 to around 46,000. So that is what is happening for the last 5 or 10 trading session. Now, in case this 45,500 is broken, which is a very, very strong support, we may see levels of around 44,500 is what is my expectation. I have a perspective. Now that this big red candle is taken, you cannot expect, even if it is gapping up, maybe we will come on the downside. Now FIIs have started selling, maybe they will sell more on the coming days. Now you know that how FIIs work. If they start buying, they continuously buy, and if they start selling, they continuously sell. Now FII data alone will tell you how much they have sold. These buggers have sold for around 3,979 crores, and DIIs have bought for around 2,528 crores. Now this is what I told in yesterday's group in our mentees program. In fact, our mentees, everybody is in profit. Last 3 months they are continuously being in profit. So that's what I told them. This is all bluff. Whatever the price action we saw yesterday in Nifty and Banknifty, it was moving like there was no tomorrow, right? If you see Banknifty, yesterday Nifty was all moving on the higher side, right? And today it gap up, again it came down. Now I believe that there is more on the downside. Maybe Nifty may come to around 19,000 levels. Currently we are sitting at 19,659. So we may see downside movement in Nifty and Banknifty. I'm not going to say it is going to crash, but I expect there is going to be some consolidation. But that's what, even if US markets are gapping up tomorrow, as I told you, Dow Jones, Nasdaq, S&P 500, everything is on the higher side. Even if it gaps up, maybe we will see some downside, because FIIs are net sellers in the market, is what I believe, right? So we'll see how things pan out. And open interest, no use of seeing open interest, but we can see the next week open interest. Huge number of 19,800 is being sold. Call option is being sold. At the same time, if you see weekly Bank Nifty August series, first week of August, 46,000 is having the highest open interest, which means people believe that 46,000 and 19,800 is going to be a strong resistance in the coming days. So we really don't know how things are going to span out. Like you, I also make mistake. I make a lot of mistake. If I'm not making mistake, then I'm terribly doing something wrong. That is what I think, right? So we'll see how things pan out. As of now, maybe there is going to be a big gap up because of this news. Whatsoever this news, this US futures, because of US futures. But I can tell you one thing: instead of talking about US futures, we'll have to wait for what is going to happen, how the US futures are going to close, then how Asia Pacific is going to open. Then we can decide whether the market is going to go down or it is going to go on the higher side. Rather than discussing it now, it is better to wait till tomorrow morning, right? And there is no any other data. We'll know in terms of results. There are few results coming up. Apart from that, there is no big macroeconomic data. So I think there should be a smooth consolidation on the downside. Otherwise, everything is going to be really good, right? I will see the US data once more. It's kind of higher side. Europe is also on the higher side. In fact, FTSE is up by more than 0.5%, almost 0.5%. France, German is more than 1.5%. So that's really good news. We really don't know what is the news. Let me check if there is any news. We'll post it in our Telegram channel. We have a very vibrant Telegram channel, for which the link is on the description below. If you want, you can join the Telegram channel, right? So we'll see how things pan out. And I'll tell you one more thing. We have a webinar coming Sunday, for which the link is on the description below. If you want, you can join. We will talk about expiry day trades, how we are taking expiry day trades, how we can take expiry day trades, and lots of people have. In fact, today's expiry session was also done live on Zoom, and we post the expiry date profits in our Telegram channel also, and even on our Twitter handle also. So if you want, you can join. And I hope I have summarized everything. I'll see you in yet another video. Till then, take care.